Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install analysis services on Microsoft SQL Server 2025. To get the software in Google search box here, you need to write SQL Server. Then this link you need to click, or then you need to click on this try, and after filling the details, you can go on this download exe file. Now you need to fill this all detail. After filling the detail, you can get this here, the new SQL English here, 64-bit operating system. You need to click. Now the software or this here SQL or evaluation exe file that's come there. You need to click this. Come from Microsoft to Corporation. Let's click on yes button, and this here you can see SQL Server 2025 Evaluation Edition. Click on this download video. You can select your language. Here, different languages are available. ISO or CAP. ISO that I'm going to try. Thereafter, click on this download. And this here, the file is now currently downloading. This MB is the size. SQL Server 2025 that's download successfully. Thereafter, click on this open folder. And the next is this that I'm going to close. Thereafter, simply need to click on this SQL Server 2025. Then you can get this set of files. You need to click on this set of files here, SQL Server 2025. Let's this come from Microsoft Corporation. Let's click on yes button. Server Installation Center. Click on this installation. New SQL Server standalone installation. So please wait while Microsoft SQL Server 2025 setup process the current operation. Specify evaluation. You can select this or this here. Options are available. Evaluation enterprise standard. Evaluation, that's fine. Click on this next. Here I accept. Click on this next. Fine. Let's click on next. This I'm going to uncheck. If you want, then you can use this. Let's click on next. Here, going to select database engine and analysis service. So this database engine that's come there. Here you can see all app analysis service used to support analytical process. Now click on this next. Default instance, that's fine. Click on next. Thereafter, let's click on next again. Here, going to give SQL Server authentication. Let's give the password for SA account. Now click on this add user. Click on this next. Add user, next. And this is ready to install analysis service and here data engine service. These two features that's going to install. Simply you need to click on this install button. So this is now currently installing. This will take some time to complete this install. engine and analysis service that install. Then after, let's click on this, close this tools. Now the next is in Google search box, write there SSMS. Then go on this Microsoft.com site. Then you can download this recent version of SSMS 22. Click into this, and here you can see this is the size of file 4.2 MB, and the file is exe file. This is currently downloading. This SSMS that's exe file that's downloaded. Let's simply click on this file. Come from Microsoft Corporation. Let's click on yes button, and here let's click on this continue. So this here Visual Studio installer getting the things ready. The size is 37 MB. Now you can see SQL Server Management Studio 22. This here AI you can download. So this comes for GitHub Copilot, and code tools. You can also get this for Git, or this here hybrid. So there, this is so important business intelligence. With the help of this, you can get their SSAS analysis service, integration reporting service. So this selecting there. After that, simply you need to click on this install. So now you can see SQL Server Management Studio 2020, and here this is updating the Visual Studio, and this will start download and install. SQL Server Management Studio 22 that install. Thereafter click on this launch button. So this here SQL Server Management Studio. Now you have four options. Let's select here escape for now, and this you can see SSMS 22 is opening. Now this place you can give their server name. You can give local host, or this place you can give system name or IP address. So connecting with the Windows authentication, let's select here trust certificate. Now simply you need to click on this connect. So by using Windows authentication, this here you are connected. Or let's disconnect, connecting. So this time going to use their SQL Server authentication username SA, give their password. Click on this connect. This connected by using SA. Thereafter for analysis service, here you need to go on this new. Then this you can get there. Database engine query you can perform. Analysis service tax query you can perform. So when you click analysis tax, then you can get this connect to analysis service. This selected there, you can give authentication, server name, PC name that's selected there. Let's click on this connect. This here connected. This place you can perform there tax query there. So this is how we can install analysis service on SQL Server 2025. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.